6 strange things that happens only in Russia. Chelyabinsk meteor. On February 15, 2013, a tiny asteroid the size of a 6-story building known as the Chelyabinsk meteor broke over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk. Monitoring stations as far away as Antarctica detected the boom, which was more powerful than an atomic burst. The glass was broken, and about 1,200 individuals were hurt by the powerful wave it produced. According to some scientists, the meteor may have briefly eclipsed the sun due to its brightness. The occurrence served as yet another warning to space organizations about the necessity of keeping an eye out for minor space objects that can directly harm Earth. Roughly 930 miles east of Moscow, Russia, scientists recovered what they believed to be part of the Chelyabinsk meteor was found. The largest possible portion of this meteor was found in Chabarkul Lake. It was weighed with a massive steel-yard balance, which gave a reading of 1,256 pounds before breaking. Doorway to underworld. It's no secret that when the ice melts, enormous holes start to appear out of nowhere. At the same time, the ice is making some amazing discoveries, one of which is the doorway to the underworld. The fact that this crater is alive is the most intriguing and amazing aspect of it. What do we mean by that? Well, this crater is expanding so quickly that it is exposing the massive submerged forest and frozen animal remains. This crater, which is the biggest of its kind and could be the second oldest as well, is thawing out at an alarming rate. The ground is heating up and collapsing 282 meters deep and 0.6 miles below the surface. Scientists have been fascinated by the long megaslump because it offers a key to understanding the secrets of climate change. Frozen lion cub. The cave lion cub, which was discovered frozen deep in the Siberian Arctic, appears to be dozing off, but a touch could cause her to awaken. While matted with mud, the cub's golden fur is generally undamaged. Her teeth, skin, soft tissue, and organs are fully intact despite being mummified. Her claws are still sharp enough to prick the finger of a scientist researching this incredible and unbelievable permafrost-preserved creature, even after about 28,000 years since she last closed her eyes. 2 baby cave lions, known as Siberian Simba and Sparta, were discovered by mammoth tusk hunters in 2017 and 2018 on the banks of the Simuliyak River in Russia's Far East. The huge cats, who are now extinct, once roamed widely throughout the northern hemisphere. At first, it was assumed that the 2 cubs were siblings because they were discovered only 15 meters, 49 feet, apart, but a recent study has revealed that their ages are actually almost 15,000 years apart. Radiocarbon dating has determined that the second cub, named Boris, is 43,448 years old. Blood candy. A Soviet terror supplement known as hematogen, or gematogen, is infamous for containing at least 5% black food albumin, a technical term for cow's blood. In the instance of hematogen, its controversial hidden ingredient helped consumers treat anemia, malnutrition, and fatigue. Both kids and adults ate it because they liked the sweet vanilla flavor and the effect it had on their health and overall food. Hematogen, which was formerly solely available to the general public in pharmacies, is now available in a wide range of shops and stores in former Soviet states including Russia and Ukraine, as well as in the US and Canada. Even Amazon lets you order them. Russian spy whale. Do you recall James Bond, the most well-known spy of all time? Well, let's check out this real-life spy who is a beluga whale, which is a spy who operates underwater. A white beluga whale made headlines throughout the world in 2019 when it was spotted in Hammerfest, Norway. The beluga was acting strangely, being attracted to people and far south of the usual habitat of the white whales. In addition, it was wearing a leather harness with a St. Petersburg, Russia, stamp on it. This gave rise to the firmly denied theory that Vladimir, as he was known locally, was initially one of Russia's experimental spy whales used for military purposes. Vladimir managed to escape the Russians and swim his way to Norway. Mysterious smoke rings in the air. It certainly appears eerie, but a black smoke ring that was seen floating over northern Kazakhstan on camera is much less mysterious than it appears to be. This unsettling smoke ring, which was seen in numerous locations, sparked a lot of scary beliefs that it might be a sign of the end of the world. Authorities were left with a lot of unanswered questions since many people thought the rings in the sky were related to extraterrestrial activity. However, the UFO specialists disproved this theory by pointing out that it might be caused by smoke vortices or that a burst via a smokestack might have caused it.